How to remove shop address from packing slip on your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will provide you with the steps needed to do so. It is very simple, so let's just go ahead and get to it. First, log into your Shopify admin, click on settings, and you simply just want to go to shipping and delivery. Simply click on that. Now all you need to do is just scroll down until you find the documents section and click on packing slip template. So obviously you can just click on preview template and you can see the actual template, which is, the actual one for you right now. And what you want to do basically is just adjust it. So let's just go back. And basically we're just going to find ourselves with the template here, which is this code here. So what you want to do is just scroll down until you find the footer section. So it's just going to be down here somewhere. If we just scroll down, you should be able to find class footer. And this is going to be where it actually contains the address. And it's going to be this one right here, which is shop underscore address summary. This is the one that we wanted to basically remove. So just highlight it and the line on top of it like so, and basically delete them. Just delete one more time. There you go. And now click on save. That's all you need to do. And now you have basically just removed the shop address from the packing slip template. So let's just go and preview our template now after the changes. And as you can see, the previous one, which had the address, no longer exists. And now it doesn't actually contain it in here. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.